Babe, why isn't your credit card working? I was shopping with my friend and it got declined. So embarrassing.
Oh shoot, my bad.
What happened?
I canceled that card. Got a new one.
What? Why would you do that without telling me?
Forgot to mention it. Sorry about that.
Well, bring the new card ASAP. I need to pay for my stuff.
Nah.
Why not?
From now on, I'm handling my own money.
What, are you serious?
Yep, you cover your expenses.
Did I do something wrong?
You really don't know?
No, what's going on?
Remember last month, when I was on that business trip?
You mean when your mom got sick?
Yeah, that.
I gave her meds. She seemed fine when I left.
You left her to go out.
She didn't say anything.
She was in pain after. Tried calling you. No answer.
My phone died.
Lucky my sis got her to the hospital.
Well, she's okay now, right? So what's the big deal?
We only had $200 left in our account for her surgery. If my sis hadn't stepped in, she could have been in real trouble.
Oh.
I make over 8 kills a month. You bring in 3K. So where's all our money gone, Sarah?
Life's expensive, Mike. Clothes, makeup, it adds up.
Cut the BS. You've been bankrolling your family, haven't you?
So what if I have? Family's important.
It's not about helping. It's how much and how often.
You help your parents too.
Not like